What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make vegan scrambled eggs. For today's vegan eggs, we're gonna use two types of tofu. How to make it with tofu, which isn't soy-free, and pum-fu, which is soy-free. All right, guys, so we're gonna be making eggs today from tofu and pum-fu. Come on, let's go. All right, family, so today I'm showing you guys how to make a budget-friendly vegan eggs. All right, I'm gonna be adding some cheese, some vegan cheese to the eggs, but if you don't like using vegan cheese, you can make it just the way it is. I'm gonna firstly make it as a scrambled eggs and then add the cheese. All right, family, so I'm using a pound of tofu, which is 16 ounces. If it's you and your family, this is a lot of tofu, guys. I'm gonna just use half of this, which should be able to feed exactly 2 people. Okay, family, so I'm gonna add my chopped onions into the pan real quick and saute that. Again, you could do the eggs exactly how you want. For my eggs, I do not use black salt. A lot of people use black salt because it is a vegan egg substitute. It smells and tastes like eggs, but I'm just gonna go use some regular black pepper. And then I'm gonna use some turmeric. I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be using some turmeric. I'm gonna be putting at least a teaspoon of turmeric. The reason I'm adding the turmeric is to give the tofu its color. So family, you also want to add the black pepper with the turmeric because they both go together to activate the curcumin that will help with inflammation. All right, family, so you are not only putting this in your tofu, but it's a very good nutritional value to the body. All right, family, so as you can see, I got the tofu in the pan and I'm just mashing it down, breaking it apart. All right, family. So remember, we're making scrambled eggs, right? So I'm just chopping it up, turning it into eggs. All right, family, so if you take a look and see, this looks just like some scrambled eggs, all right, family? So this is just without the cheese. This is exactly what it would look like. So this is your scrambled eggs, your turmeric, black pepper, a little bit of Himalayan salt, and some grapeseed oil, family. It is absolutely delicious if you eat it just like this, but you know I'm vegan king, so I'm gonna add a little twist, all right? So I'm gonna add some of this umami from Trader Joe's. They're not sponsoring, but I'm just showing you guys that you could use this. This is vegan, so I'm just gonna add about 1/2 of a teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of the seasoning. And then now I'm gonna add some of this chia seeds. Remember, family, I add chia seeds in all my meals. This is a great addition to your scrambled eggs. All right, so I'm gonna add that in there real quick. All right, family, so I have my plant-based cheese right here. I'm gonna sprinkle some on the vegan scrambled eggs. And what I'm gonna do is mix it in a little bit so it could get all in there. All right, just mix it in there nicely. It's gonna start to melt, but that's okay. Family, a secret that I'm gonna tell you, and it's straight from Vegan Kings, to make your vegan scrambled eggs absolutely delicious, add about 1/2 tablespoon or a tablespoon of vegan mayo to the pan. All right, guys, so when you add that, it's gonna get actually more creamy. So I added about 1/2 tablespoon of vegan mayo, and now look at that. Look at how delicious this eggs look. All right, family, sprinkle some of this plant-based vegan cheese on top, and then I'm gonna cover it up. So this is just gonna make it a little bit more creamy, all right, family? Then we're gonna cover it up. So for today's vegan tofu scrambled eggs, I am using tofu, guys. So if you can't eat soy, you want to use the next video that's coming after this, which will be made from pum-fu, which is a soy-free tofu eggs. All right, family? I decided to make this video today because a lot of us may eat tofu or might not eat tofu. So I wanted to show you guys different ways of creating your own vegan eggs. All right, family, so now let's go for the bite. Look at this cheesy vegan eggs, guys. It's actually so delicious. Look at this. Look at the cheese. All right, we're gonna go in for that bite. Oh, look at that. You can't tell me, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, if you try my eggs, you'll tell me, yeah, this tastes like eggs, and I didn't even use black salt. So let's go for this bite. Wow. Whoa. Absolutely amazing. For today's vegan scrambled eggs, we're gonna be using pum-fu, guys. This is a soy-free scrambled eggs, tofu eggs. All right, guys, so again, this is soy-free. All right, I already cut this in half, and I'm gonna be using just half of this. Half of this can feed at least 2 people, family, if you do it right. All right, so we're gonna start off with some grapeseed oil. I'm gonna add this to the pan. Since my previous video, I showed you guys how to make the vegan scrambled eggs with cheese, I'm not gonna add cheese in this one. So I'm gonna add my onions. So I'm gonna be adding my black pepper to the pan. The full recipe will be below. And I'm gonna add some turmeric powder. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. Remember, adding the black pepper and the turmeric is good for inflammation. So this is a great recipe for that. This is soy-free, gluten-free vegan eggs. Okay, family, so now I'm gonna take my half and I'm gonna throw it into this pan. And this is extremely firm, so you wanna just like dig it from the side. See that? And it'll come right out. All right, family, so this is made of pumpkin seeds and water. So this is pumpkin seeds and just water, family. This is what we are making today, scrambled vegan eggs using pum-fu. So I'm gonna add some Himalayan salt. Okay. Umami mushroom powder. I'm gonna also add some chia seeds. I'm also gonna be using some garlic powder. There you go, family. This is your pum-fu scrambled eggs. So for this vegan eggs, it is soy-free. I used pum-fu. Pum-fu is made with pumpkin seeds and water. All right, family, so this is it. I just put some black pepper, some parsley, and some garlic powder, black pepper, and that's it. So now let's go for the bite. Absolutely delicious, family. If you are looking for a soy-free version of making some vegan eggs, I definitely would go with the pum-fu. The texture is there and it's absolutely delicious. It has protein, so I definitely would use this. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Peace.